Hi guys, ito yung pork ko. Gawin ko itong hamonado. But first, I wash it and then I'm going to i-marinate ko guys. Then ilagay ko sa fridge bago ko lutuin bukas. Okay?
That's the pork guys. Pinakuluan ko. This is around 1 kilo. Gawin ko itong hamonado guys para sa noche buena. Ang ginawa ko, ganyan lang. Tapos, i-marinate ko siya after that. Okay?
So guys, nilagay ko na yung 1 can of pineapple plus nilagyan ko ng onion powder, Spanish paprika, and then lagyan ko ngayon ng garlic powder guys, plus lagyan ko ng soy sauce and oyster sauce. Ito yung marinated sauce ko guys. Ilagay ko guys, ito na yung marinated ko guys. Ilagay ko na ito sa fridge guys. Okay, with Sprite, pineapple, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, a little bit of brown sugar, and a little bit of salt. That's it guys. I'm going to put this in the fridge. Hi! Ito na yung pork belly hamonado ko guys. Pinakuluan ko na lang ng konti. Tapos, ito, tender na siya guys. With pineapple. Pinakuluan ko ito ng 7-up guys. At saka pineapple. Now, I put again the pineapple tidbits kasi wala akong chunk. So, very tender guys. That's very yum guys. Look at that guys. Masarap siya guys. Tender na siya guys. Tender na siya. So yun. Ito na yung pork belly hamonado ko guys. Very tender na siya guys. Tikman natin yung sabaw guys ha. Kumuha tayo ng sabaw. Yum. Yum. That's very yum guys. Tender na siya guys. Okay. Thank you for watching to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Happy New Year, everybody! Hi guys! Ito na yung pork belly hamonado ko guys. I put carrots and brown onion. That is also with pineapple guys. Pork belly hamonado for Noche Buena. Happy New Year! Thank you!